Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread flan easy method. Preheat your oven and prepare a water bath, then whisk eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla until smooth. Tear bread into pieces and gently press into the custard to absorb liquid without turning mushy. Pour into a greased pan, cover with foil, and bake in a hot water bath until set but still slightly jiggly in the center. Start by tearing or cubing bread and lightly toasting any very fresh pieces for texture. Warm milk gently and stir in sugar until dissolved, then temper beaten eggs by adding milk slowly to avoid scrambling. Fold the bread into the custard and press down to remove air pockets so the mixture sets evenly. Pour into your prepared pan, use a water bath to promote gentle heat, and bake until custard holds but still yields slightly. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting multiple timers, streaming music while you bake, and asking for measurements hands-free, which fits perfectly with busy kitchen work. I use it to time my bakes and cue a playlist, and I think you will like it too. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bake slowly in a moderate oven to avoid curdling and achieve a creamy texture throughout. Once removed, cool on a rack to room temperature, then chill for a few hours so flavors meld and the flan firms up. Slice with a wet knife for clean portions and pair with a bright sauce or fresh fruit to cut richness. Store leftovers covered in the fridge for up to 4 days and reheat gently if desired.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.